Dogs are man's best friend. They even serve different purposes to humans' life and the environment. We all know that dogs react to certain stimuli, including sounds. But in MMA, dogs have special behavior. Every day, they are exposed to loud noises from the highway, construction, and even the sound system from the chapel. Though exposed to these loud sounds, they specially howl together at 7 p.m. during the 777 prayer. At 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. every day, Mindanao Mission Academy observes the 777 prayer. People inside the campus stop and pray once the 7 o'clock music is played.
Let us pray for the outpouring of the Holy Spirit. Pray for peace and for the soul return of our Lord Jesus Christ.
Today, the dog lovers in MMA will share their thoughts about their pets.
Keeping a dog is one of the great experiences that a person have. It's not only just for a pet, but this will also help a person develop time management as well as care and love for animals. Dogs are a way of expressing your care and love for animals as well as taking good care of pets, especially dogs. To me, it would help take out stress as well as enjoy sometimes as we spend time with them. During 7/7, dogs howl as the sound is heard. I think they all howl because it is when the rest of the dogs are howling around the campus and their minds are classically conditioned during the time, and you can hear it as the 7/7 sound would ring. All the dogs will as well simultaneously sound and howl as they listen to it.
In Psalm 50, 10-11 says, "For every beast of the forest is mine, the cattle on 1,000 hills. I know all the birds of the hills, and all that moves in the field is mine." God loves these creatures, and we ought to value because we are only stewards of God's gift. In MMA, we call our dogs the 777 Howlers. If you want to witness this remarkable behavior of these dogs, come and visit your school, your home. This is Chindel Sumbilon for my school, my home.